What if the universe holds secrets even science can't unravel? We've split atoms, mapped the human genome, landed on the moon, pretty impressive stuff. But here's the thing about the universe, it's way more clever than we give it credit for. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mysteries that still baffle scientists, the enigmas that keep them up at night. We're talking about dark matter, the origin of life, even the possibility of a multiverse. So buckle up, get ready to have your mind blown wide open. Okay, let's talk about dark matter, the universe's ultimate phantom. Picture this, galaxies swirling around held together by gravity, right? But there's not enough visible matter to account for that gravitational pull. It's like trying to balance a seesaw with a feather on one side and, well, nothing on the other. Scientists came up with this idea of dark matter, invisible stuff that doesn't interact with light, but exerts a gravitational force. We can't see it, we can't touch it, and we have no idea what it's made of. We see the effects of dark matter everywhere, but we can't find the culprit. It's like the cosmic glue holding everything together, yet we're still in the dark about its true nature. We all dream, right? Every night our minds take these wild, surreal journeys. But here's the thing. Scientists still haven't figured out why our brains decide to throw these bizarre late-night parties. Some theories suggest dreams are our brain's way of processing emotions, consolidating memories, or even practicing for real-life scenarios. It's like our mind is a giant computer running nightly simulations. Do dreams hold hidden meanings? Are they portals to alternate realities? Or are they just our brains doing a nightly defrag? The truth is, we just don't know. And that's what makes the science of dreaming so captivating. From a single-celled organism to the incredible diversity of life we see today, the story of life on Earth is truly awe-inspiring. But here's the million-dollar question. How did it all begin? How did we go from a primordial soup of chemicals to, well, us? Some theories propose that life originated in hydrothermal vents spewing hot, chemical-rich water from the ocean floor. Others point to the possibility of life, or at least its essential components, arriving on Earth from outer space, a concept known as panspermia. And then there's the RNA world hypothesis, suggesting that RNA, not DNA, was the early genetic material. The origin of life is perhaps the ultimate scientific detective story, a cosmic whodunit that continues to captivate and inspire us. Let's talk about aliens, shall we? The universe is unimaginably vast, filled with billions of stars and even more planets. So, purely statistically speaking, the odds of us being alone in this cosmic expanse seem pretty slim, right? That's where the Fermi paradox comes in. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox highlights the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of any concrete evidence. So where is everybody? Are we really alone in this vast cosmic playground? Or are we missing something fundamental about the universe and the nature of intelligent life? The Fermi paradox is a humbling reminder of our limited perspective. We all have it, this subjective experience of the world, this feeling of being, well, us. But what exactly is consciousness? How does a clump of cells in our heads give rise to this rich inner world of thoughts, emotions, and experiences? Some believe consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems, like the brain, while others propose that it's a fundamental aspect of reality itself. In the 1970s, NASA launched two spacecraft, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11, on missions to explore the outer solar system. These intrepid explorers sent back a treasure trove of data, but they also presented us with a perplexing mystery, the Pioneer anomaly. As these spacecraft traveled farther from the sun, scientists noticed something strange. They were experiencing a tiny unexplained deceleration, as if something was tugging them back ever so slightly. Theories ranged from the mundane, like gas leaks or heat radiation, to the more exotic, such as dark matter interactions or even modifications to our understanding of gravity. The mystery of the Pioneer anomaly continues to remind us that the universe is full of surprises, always ready to challenge our assumptions. Imagine you're scanning the cosmos for any hint of a signal from an alien civilization, and one day you detect something truly extraordinary. A powerful, narrowband radio signal that seems to bear all the hallmarks of an extraterrestrial message. That's precisely what happened in 1977 when astronomer Jerry Amon discovered the now legendary WOW signal while working on the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University. Despite decades of follow-up observations and attempts to pinpoint its origin, the WOW signal remains an enigma. The WOW signal serves as a potent reminder of the vastness of the unknown and the tantalizing possibility that we might not be alone in the universe. Picture this. It's a June morning in 1908 and the skies above Siberia are suddenly ablaze with a blinding light. The tranquility of the early morning is shattered by an unexpected and extraordinary phenomenon. Moments later, a deafening explosion, estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, rocks the remote Tunguska region. The sheer force of the blast sends shockwaves rippling through the atmosphere, creating a spectacle of destruction. Trees are flattened like matchsticks over an area of 800 square miles, and the shockwave is felt thousands of miles away. The landscape is transformed in an instant, leaving a vast expanse of devastation in its wake. The strange thing is there's no crater, no impact site, no smoking gun to tell us what caused this massive blast. Theories abound, of course. Scientists and researchers have been puzzled for over a century, trying to piece together the clues left behind. Some speculate it was a meteor that exploded in the atmosphere, creating a fireball that disintegrated before hitting the ground, while others propose a cometary airburst, where a comet disintegrates upon entering the Earth's atmosphere, releasing immense energy. The Tunguska event is a stark reminder of the immense power of the universe and the mysteries it still holds. It serves as a humbling example of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. It's a cosmic detective story that continues to fascinate and baffle scientists. Each new discovery brings us a step closer to understanding, yet the full story remains elusive, adding to the allure and mystery of the Tunguska event. This one's a real head-scratcher. Imagine this. You give a patient a sugar pill, a completely inert substance with no medicinal value whatsoever, but you tell them it's a powerful painkiller. They have no reason to doubt you, and they trust in the treatment. And here's where it gets really weird. They start to feel better. Their symptoms begin to alleviate, and they genuinely believe the pill is working. Their pain lessens, their mood improves, and they swear that sugar pill worked wonders. It's as if their belief alone has triggered a healing response. Scientists are still trying to unravel the mechanisms behind the placebo effect. It's a fascinating area of study that challenges our understanding of medicine and the mind. Some studies suggest it involves the release of endorphins, our body's natural painkillers, which can help reduce pain and improve mood, while others point to the power of expectation and the brain's ability to rewire itself based on beliefs. This neuroplasticity allows the brain to adapt and change, reinforcing the perceived effects of the placebo. The placebo effect is a testament to the incredible power of the human mind, showcasing how our thoughts and beliefs can influence our physical state, a force so potent that it can influence our physical well-being in ways we're only beginning to understand. It's a reminder of the mind-body connection and the potential within us all. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the realm of the truly mind-bending, the multiverse. This concept is not just a figment of science fiction, but a serious scientific hypothesis that has intrigued and puzzled scientists for decades. Imagine a reality where every possible outcome of every decision ever made exists in a separate, parallel universe. Each choice you make spawns a new universe, creating an endless web of possibilities. Infinite copies of you, living out every possible permutation of your life. In one universe, you might be a famous artist, while in another, you could be an astronaut exploring the far reaches of space. The multiverse theory, born from the mind-boggling equations of quantum mechanics and cosmology, suggests that our universe, vast as it is, might just be one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. These equations hint at the possibility that what we perceive as reality is just a small part of a much larger, more complex structure. It's like a cosmic bubble bath, with our universe being just one bubble among an infinite sea of soapy possibilities. Each bubble represents a different universe, floating alongside countless others, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. The idea that our reality might be just a tiny sliver of a much grander, more complex multiverse is both humbling and exhilarating. It forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos and consider the vastness of existence beyond our own universe. It challenges our perception of reality and opens up a realm of possibilities that could make even the most imaginative science fiction writer blush. The multiverse theory invites us to dream bigger, to imagine worlds beyond our wildest dreams, and to ponder the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the stars. So there you have it, 10 mysteries that continue to stump even the brightest minds on our planet. From the depths of space to the inner workings of our own brains, the universe is full of enigmas, puzzles that remind us just how much we have yet to learn. But this isn't about admitting defeat. It's about embracing the unknown, reveling in the mysteries that push us to explore, to question, to push the boundaries of our understanding. So, keep your minds open, your curiosity piqued, and never stop searching for answers. Because the universe is vast, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of its secrets.